What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel,
what's up?
Okay, let's get back into this video. So today I'm going to be trying out the wig Amani in the color T1B 30. Now sis, when I first tried this wig on, I was not loving this wig. Like usually when I first try it on, I love it. Not love it, but like, you know, I like it. And then I take off the lace and then do whatever. But this wig I was not feeling. I was just like, it's way too much hair. So right here I'm just cutting off the lace and then I put some powder in the parting space. But sis, as soon as I put this wig on, I was looking crazy. At least in my opinion. I'm still like new to all of this. And look. You guys see this? This is why this is a fail. I was low-key rushing at the same time, but sis, look at my baby hairs though. Like, I was rushing and just trying to like get this wig on because I had somewhere to go. So I was just really rushing and I was just like, oh my gosh, okay. Yeah, I don't know what I was doing. I'm still like new to like putting on lace fronts. So that's why I was just like, wait. And yeah, that's my boyfriend. He was just talking to me at the same time. That's why I was laughing. But sis, my eyebrows was probably looking too dark. I don't know why I did my eyebrows like that. But yeah, this wig was way too thick for me. Like I had to move it to the middle because I felt like the side part wasn't doing me justice. And look at this. Look at my wig, guys. I was just going crazy. I was just like, oh my gosh, this is not coming out right. So I put some more baby hairs up in there and I just felt like, you know, this is just gonna be a fail. Right here, it looked like I'm cutting the hair, but I'm just taking some hair out. I'm not cutting the hair. I just took like a bulk of the hair out. It was way too much hair, you guys, like way too much. So then I tried this half up, half down style, and I was just like, okay, like, sis. Oh no, I didn't try the half up, half down style yet. I was trying the flip over method, and that didn't look good either. So let's try the half up, half down. But sis, my baby hairs was crooked. So yeah, this is the end of this video. If you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe. I will be posting more videos, and this is how the ending result came out though. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe once again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.